In this video, we're gonna take a look at this guy, the Montane Smock. I wanted to tell the public that this thing is doing very well. This is a product that you put on at the beginning of the day and you only take it off to go into your sleeping bag. If that's not what you're planning to do, forget about this thing. Why? Because it's heavy, 1150 grams or so. It's super bulky. I mean, seriously, are you gonna pack this thing in your backpack? Good luck, you know? It just deals very well with humidity. It has this pile thing. I think the guys call it pile. And it's working very well. It's keeping me warm when I'm sitting. We've had like negative 15 degrees, negative 20 wasn't the other day, you said?
Closer to 30, yeah.
No. You want to be using this when it's at least 3-4 degrees Celsius and you're wearing a base layer, at least. Ideally 0 degrees and down. Otherwise it's just gonna be too warm. The other day doing the snow shelter, remember?
Yeah.
Did great. I'm tired, Eric. Can I have a break?
Get back digging, pendejo.
Come on, man.
Come on. You want to sleep tonight or not?
Oh, yeah, man. If you are too hot, you just take this thing down and it's totally open. Be careful.
Ouch! Sorry.
Oh my goodness. So much work, man. He had concerns about this, that it would trap my humidity from the sweat. And then in the morning, basically it could stand on itself because the sweat would freeze. But it's actually pretty good at transmitting the sweat to the outside. And so in the morning I'm putting it on and it's not like his gloves. Holy crap.
The leather is making a funny sound.
Holy smokes. Do you ever stretch, man?
Nah.
I can tell.
It's better to climb like this, you know?
You don't have to take a puffy jacket. You just have this all freaking day long and that's all. So yes, it's heavy, but you don't have to carry 600 grams of your puffy jacket. You wear this and it's breathable. It's way more breathable than any hard shell you can buy. It doesn't matter what Gore-Tex super amazing you have. This is more breathable than that. And I really like that feature. It is not waterproof. Now, what is something good that it breathes very well becomes something bad if you use it in the rain. That's why I'm saying, is this used for the UK? In the UK it doesn't get cold. In the UK it's very wet. It doesn't get cold compared to real cold climates. I mean, you get 0 degrees here and there. It has an amazing hoodie. I absolutely love it. It's so cozy. It gives you a lot of protection. It's just great. It's not made to wear a helmet. For 115 pounds, you just get so much. This is my on the fly, super quick Montane Extreme Smock review.